Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to make paper animal mask. So here are the things we needed: glue, paper, pen, crayons, scissors. So let's start making. So we have to cut out a circle shape of paper from this paper. Next we need to draw the ears. So let's start. Now let's cut it out. So the first ear is ready. Now we should cut the second ear out. Ears are ready. Now I am going to fix it over it. See? Next we need to draw eyes on this paper. Now let's start coloring the eyes. See? Now let's color with black crayons. See? Color the other one just like that. Now eyes are ready. I am going to fix it. We should fix the other eyes just like that. See? Now we shall make nose. See, you should draw like this. Now we should cut it out. Now the nose is ready. Now we should color on the middle lightly red. See? Now we should attach here. Now the mask is ready. This is my mask. Thank you for watching.